Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to OPPO A77. First of all, go into Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Following that, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can choose not now if you wish to. Then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia Device and Receive next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on OPPO, scroll down to pick the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then choose Close this window and go back to Nokia smartphone. You can finally click on all of those categories located at the top and pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Then decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect using this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on OPPO. Then tap on while using the app or only this time and point your OPPO's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input key section and type in all of those numbers. Lastly, choose Receive. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!